Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first company for today it is Adobe, and the second one is GeekyAnts, and the third one is Eurofins. So we shall see the job details and everything for all of these three companies. So the first company for today it is Adobe. So the role they are hiring it is for software development engineer, and the salary of the CTC, so it will be based on your interview performance, so it is not disclosed. So the degree or the qualification needed, so it is for B or BTECH graduates or ME or MTECH graduates. So these are the four batches eligible to apply for this role, and the work location for this it will be Bangalore. So we shall see the complete job details and the application link for the same. So as discussed, so the qualification needed, so it will be for bachelor's degree or the equivalent experience in computer science, information technology or the related streams. So coming to the tech stack which are required to apply for this role, so you need to have the proven experience in either Python, Java or the Spark development. So anyone is needed, and you need to have the proven understanding of the REST APIs, and you need to have working knowledge on relational databases, and particularly they have mentioned the PostgreSQL SQL as well as the MySQL. So these are the main tech stack which are required to apply for this particular role. So this is the application link for the Adobe. So these are the five main things you need to complete in order to apply for this. So there are many ways in order to apply. So you can apply with LinkedIn, or you can apply manually by uploading your updated resume. So the first step is you need to fill your my information. So wherein you are going to fill your personal details. Then you just need to agree this and you can click on next. So the next step will be the my experience, so wherein you are going to add your experience details. So if you have done any of the internship or any other relevant thing, you can add that, or if you have any experience, so you can mention that. And the third step it will be some application related questions, so you can answer that, like how much years of experience you have on the particular programming language, so you can answer those questions. And the fourth step will be some voluntary disclosure questions, so you can go to that and you can just answer those. And lastly you just need to review the application form and you can submit it. So this is about the first company, that is Adobe. So the second company for today it is GeekyAnts. So the role they are hiring it is for software engineer 1. So the degree required, so it is for B or BTECH graduates, or even the BSc graduates are eligible to apply. So the experience required, so it is for like freshers 0 to 1 years of experience, so they are eligible to apply. And the salary or the CTC, so it ranges from 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. And the work location for this it will be Bangalore. So this is the educational background for this. So it will be like the bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or the related fields. So at least you need to have 1 year of experience in order to apply for this role. So coming to the tech stack, so you need to have knowledge in both front end as well as back end. So for the front end, you need to be proficient in the React.js, HTML, CSS or the JavaScript, including ES6. And so for the backend, like it is good to have knowledge on Node.js and the Express.js, and you need to have knowledge on RESTful API design and development, and familiarity with the Git version, so version control systems like Git, and knowledge on databases. It can be SQL or no SQL. So these are the main skills which are required to apply for this. So apart from that, it is good to have knowledge on JavaScript frameworks, and then so cloud platforms like AWS, Azure or the Google Cloud Platform, and the containerization tools like Docker. So these are the main skills. So the main skills which are required to apply for this particular role. So coming to the selection process for this, so there will be three rounds. One will be the preliminary assessment round. So second will be the interview with the tech team, and last round will be the HR discussion. So coming to the first round, that is a preliminary assessment round. So it's an automated video interview, so in which so it hardly takes 15 to 30 minutes. So for this, the guidelines, they have mentioned few guidelines, like you need to keep your updated resume handy for reference, and the stable internet connection is needed. And so this assessment, it will particularly be on your fundamental software engineering knowledge, as well as there will be some logical as well as aptitude based questions. So it's a AI based interview. So this will be the first round. So once you clear that, second will be interview with the tech team. So this will be with the technical team. So this will be purely on, so it will be technical round. So once you clear that, last round will be the HR discussion. So these are the three rounds included in the selection process for this. So in order to apply for this, you are supposed to create an separate account. So you can just create the account and you can log in and you can fill all the required details and you can submit the application form. So this was about the second company, and the third company for today, it is Eurofins. So the role they are hiring, it is for associate software engineer, and the qualification needed, it is for B or BTECH graduates, BSc, even the MA as well as the MS graduates are eligible. And the experience required for this, it will be 0 to 12 months, and the salary or the CTC, so it will be the best in industry, and the work location for this will be Bangalore. So the complete eligibility criteria and the skills which are required for this. So the year of pass out, so 2024 or the 2025, so these two batches are eligible to apply. And so as mentioned, the B or BTech graduates with the computer science, information science and the electronics and communication. And for the BSc graduates, so the computer science and the IT, so these are eligible. And so experience 0 to 12 months, so even internship is considered. And the minimum percentage criteria for this, it will be 60%, and there should be no active backlogs in order to apply for this role. So coming to the tech stack which are required to apply for this, so you need to have knowledge in any one of the programming language. It can be C++, C hash or the Java, and it is good to have knowledge on Angular, and then knowledge of databases. It can be SQL Server, MongoDB or the Cosmos DB. And then apart from that, you need to have knowledge on various tools. It can be the Azure DevOps. So it is not a mandatory skill, but it is preferred. So these are the only skills which are required to apply for this. And coming to the certification, so if you have done any of the certifications related to Azure Elasticsearch, so it will be an added advantage for this role. So this is the application link for the Eurofins. So you can apply with Indeed or you can apply manually. So the first step will be your personal information. So you are supposed to add your personal details. Then the second step will be the experience. So you can add the experience details. So if you have done the internship also, you can add that, and do mention the start and the stop from and to date. And the third step will be your education details. You can add that, so your highest education. And then your profiles, like you need to add the LinkedIn URL. So if you have, you can add the LinkedIn URL, and do add the GitHub URL, and do add some of the projects into the GitHub repository, and you can add that URL. And lastly, you just need to upload the updated resume, and if you want to mention some key points, you can add that message and you can click on next, and you just need to review the complete application form and you need to submit it. So this is the complete application form and the details about the Eurofins. So these are the three updates for today. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description. So you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.